Like, it even uses a similar style mechanism. It's just everything's a little bigger and beefier on the Subli-Fun unit. Howdy fellow Sublimation peeps. In today's video we have another tumbler press to review. This one here is from Subli-Fun, and they were nice enough to send me some tumblers, a tumbler press, and all kind of neat goodies. So we're going to see what the difference is between this one and some of the other ones. There's a lot more in the box, including an additional heating element and all that. But we'll dive into that and we'll start right now. Alright, first let's dive into exactly what's in this box. What we have is the Pro Max model, and that includes the, it looks like the 20 ounce and 30 ounce mug tumbler presses, as well as some other stuff, so we'll dive into it. They were nice enough to send some sublimation tape as well. We'll try that out. Of course, we have an owner's manual. We have, it looks like this is the 30 ounce. That wrap. We'll go ahead and get that unboxed and look at that in a second. And we have the main part, which is the tumbler press. And this is what we got. And we also have a power cable, just a standard PC power cable, nothing special there. But this is the unit. This particular unit's quite a bit bigger and more robust than some of the other ones. You'll notice just how much bigger this thing actually is compared to some of the other brands. It's bigger and more well made. And here we go. And this one happens to be pink, but they do have a couple different color options. Alright, now that we have everything packaged up and out of the way, look how that thing is so nice. This is one of the few tumbler presses that actually is able to press the thinner glass ones as well. Like, you can slide that in there, and this one actually works perfectly for it. So that's what we'll be trying first. First, we'll try glass mugs and see glass tumblers and see how they do. Are y'all ready for some moderately nerdy stuff? Watch this. Oh, so satisfying. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get everything preheated and get it all set up. And we're going to be pressing these as the directions. Let's see, there's a direction sheet in the back that gives us, we're going to try their time first. They probably know more than I do. They say glass do at 356 for 280. So what we've done, we set it for 360, and we're going to do 140, rotate and 140 again. That's a horribly loud pitched. You can't miss it. So we're going to do that. We're going to let it preheat, and we're going to go ahead and get this ready. And we're actually going to use one of Subli-Fun's. You can find these in their Amazon store. They are frosted glass tumblers. We're going to use one of their tumblers and see how it goes. And this particular one has like a red gradient at the bottom. Really, really freaking cool. So we'll go ahead and get that prepped. Guys, we're going to go ahead and prep our tumbler. We're going to give them a cut about right there. We're going to go ahead and tape it. And this, we're just doing the, it's a local high school. I figured it'd be really cool to do it like this. We're just going to do the Brighton Cardinal logo on it. See how it looks. That's a surprisingly good cut from guessing. Surprisingly good. And we're just going to put a couple pieces of tape and hopefully don't peel the coating off of that. So So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and the Brighton Cardinal should be right up top in a good spot. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, or in the tumbler press. It looks like we're heated and everything. So what we can do, we'll go ahead and do this, and we'll go ahead and drop that. We have the tension set right. I set that when I was setting it up. So what we can do, we can go ahead and slide them on in there, get everything in there, and give it tension. There we go. Plenty of tension. We're going to do it for 140 seconds, then we're going to flip it and do the other side for 140, just to make sure we have good uniform heat. All right, guys, coming up on 20 seconds, I'm going to show you how I rotate the cups without actually touching them. What we're going to do, we're going to take the paper and we're just going to rotate it. And once it counts down, I'll show you how I do it. And this is just the one rotation. Granted, next time we'll have to pull the cup out, but, you know, we'll deal with that then. So we do that. Now, we just rotate it and repress. All right, guys, come up on 20 seconds. Don't be a hero. Glove up with your best gloves, because this glass is really, really hot when it comes out. Like, don't try to be a hero. You do not need to try to do this unprotected, because you will burn the crap out of yourself. And what we're going to do, we're just going to slide the paper out, and we're going to get the paper off as soon as we can. See how it looks. So we're just going to boom. And we're going to go ahead and boom. Now we're looking for the logo print. Looking for the logo print. And boom. It's a little warm, so I'm not going to hold it long, but look at that print quality. It's pretty good, pretty good. All right, now let's figure out where we can put it. I can put it over here. And okay, now we're going to let that cool down, and we'll show you the final results when we're done. So you can see just in this, just how much larger it is, and look at like the difference in the side panels. You see that's kind of more of that's a slightly thinner metal, and this is a much thicker metal. And you see there's just a difference in the construction of the material, of everything. Now look how much thicker these pressure rails are. You see the pieces that actually put the pressure versus, look at these, they're like half the size. Like, it even uses a similar style mechanism. It's just everything's a little bigger and beefier on the Subli-Fun unit. It's crazy. Everything's just a little bit beefier and a little bit bigger. And in addition, it also comes with this guy, the 30 ounce, the larger tumbler piece. So you get an additional piece to help you put bigger stuff in there. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't really excited about reviewing another tumbler press on my channel like immediately after doing the Makaru, but I'm kind of glad that I did, because this is actually a much nicer unit in my opinion for around the same price. Not to mention, Subli-Fun has kind of gone all in on sublimation. They even offer like glass tumblers that have like the blue gradient at the bottom. They also have the red ones, and also even a line of stainless steel tumblers, both white and regular, you know, just regular non-coated ones. So if you found this video helpful, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more sublimation content, and y'all might need to check this out. That's a nice unit, very heavy duty. It's better than almost any of the other ones that I've seen so far. And as always, there will be a link in the description below where you can find this. And shout out to Subli-Fun for sending me some stuff to try out. And guys, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.